Welcome to How to Earn Money from Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using Canva. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So the third method will be to create list pins for Pinterest. The list pins is a design that people usually share on Pinterest to share it in an attractive way, so they could expand their sales. So if you want to make a list pin, all you need is to search for a list pin template. Write list pin and you'll find a lot of templates, free and pro included templates. You can choose the one that you like and you can manipulate it to your liking. You can change the photos, the products, or edit anything you like into the template. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.